Catalog Edit SKU interface provides a detailed view of the current catalog data for an existing SKU and the ability to make changes to the SKU's listing status, product attributes, inventory, and pricing. The edit view organizes this into a few areas: the sidebar, the catalog, inventory and pricing, and errors. Click on any SKU in the catalog, inventory, or quick edit views, and you'll see the edit SKU interface. The sidebar will appear first. This includes basic information about the SKU and the listing status on your channels, along with options to edit product attributes in the catalog, inventory, or pricing. Starting at the top left, if you're editing a group, you'll see a drop-down box and toggles to let you easily switch between editing variants within that group. Below that, you'll see important basic information about the selected SKU, such as the SKU's title and the selected smart type. If part of a group, you'll also see a role here, which will designate whether a SKU is a variant or a master of a group. And then finally, in this section, you'll see any labels that are currently applied to the SKU, as well as a button to add new ones. The gear here at the top performs a number of functions. You can edit product groups, make kits and aliases, archive SKUs, see the entire history, look at feed messages, clone a SKU, and convert products FBM and FBA. For more details on each of these commands, please visit our knowledge base. The next section includes the links to manage the catalog, which is product attributes, inventory and pricing, and if there are any errors present on the current SKU, where to manage errors as well. A little further down, you'll see Manage Listings. Each of your channel and storefront integrations will be shown here. The toggle on the right indicates whether an item has been listed to that channel and allows you to set the SKU to list or don't list. If the toggle is green and in the on position, it's been set to list. In this position, Zentail will send all enabled feeds. If the toggle is white and in the off position, it means the SKU has not yet been listed to the channel by Zentail. If the toggle is red, it means you have a critical issue that needs to be addressed before the SKU can be listed to that specific channel. But after clearing that issue, the SKU will then attempt to list automatically. If the SKU is light green and in the off position, it means that the SKU was listed but has been delisted since then, and we are now sending 0 inventory perpetually to keep the item out of stock. Just to the side of the toggle, you'll see a number of other icons. The gear icon lets you edit the advanced options. This includes things like price overrides, description overrides, and shipping templates. The eyeball icon will show you the current listing this SKU is attached to if that channel supports it. If any of your integrations are still in test mode, that will be indicated next to the integration name. We'll take a look at catalog first. The attributes displayed here are based on the SKU's selected smart type and organized by function to make editing simpler. Our goal here is to only show you attributes that are pertinent to the SKU you currently have selected. However, you can also use the search tool on the top right to quickly access the attributes you need without scrolling around the page or using your browser search. In addition, there's an Add Attribute button next to the search tool in the header bar. Using this, you can add any additional attributes you want to be able to edit for this SKU, and they will remain here in the Edit SKU view. Note that there is no save button. Any changes you make here will be confirmed as soon as you click away or press enter. Clicking Inventory and Pricing on the left, you'll be able to edit the inventory levels and bin locations for each warehouse, as well as the pricing, repricing, and sale pricing fields. If the SKU you're currently editing has any listing errors, you'll see the Errors section appear. Clicking this will show you any listing errors present on a SKU, such as attributes missing values. In some cases, if Zentail is familiar with an error, clicking on this error will let you edit that attribute directly.
Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to visit Zentail.com for more info.